Here we go with Emily's advent calendar. Now this is the Christmas decoration one.
Yeah.
And what have we got for this so far?
So in day one, I got some jingle bells. I'm just tying it onto those.
Wow, that's pretty, eh?
Bells.
And you got pretty nails, eh?
Yeah. Did Christmas theme tried. Then on the second day, I got a stocking.
Mm-hmm.
Which I also tied all by myself.
Yep.
What was after that? Oh yeah, then I got the snowman.
Wow.
The snowman.
How cool is that?
Yeah, then I also got another looking type of snowman.
Oh my goodness.
With a 3D nose.
That is so cool.
Then I got a Christmas tree.
I'm impressed you're remembering what you got on what days, to be honest.
Yeah, I can remember.
Well done.
Christmas tree. Then on today, I got a candy cane.
Wow. And what about your other calendar?
Okay, so my other calendar, my Taylor Swift one.
Yep.
Which is horrible opening.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Now you're going to show what we got?
I'm wearing it. So, should I take it off?
No, leave it on, it's fine.
Okay. So, this is made in days. So, like, I got this part of it on day one. Then on day two, I got this I Heart.
Oh, yeah, like an I Love You.
Yeah, it's a Taylor Swift bracelet one.
Mm-hmm.
And on the second day, I got
Got that again?
Yeah. Then on another day, I got one of her songs, 1989, with a little crown on
Yeah,
top.
it's lovely, isn't it?
Then today, I got her Red from her music video Red.
Oh, wow.
Her glasses. Then I got this bracelet, which I got the day after getting these.
Yeah.
Then
So you can put them on every day, can't you?
Yeah.
That's so cool. There we go.
Yeah, so can I show them my last one?
Oh, what? Okay, your chocolate one.
Yeah, my last one's just the chocolate one, Kevin and Carrot.
And you keep getting chocolate carrots every day. Does it taste like carrot?
No.
So it's chocolate.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Aren't you lucky to have 3? Yeah, is that cool?
Yeah.
All right.